Hi everyone, I'm Michael from Conga Technical Support, and today I'll walk you through setting up contracts for Salesforce MSA for Sales Cloud Quickstart. Quickstarts include configurations, example contract language, sample clauses, and sample templates, getting you up and running quickly and making it easy to generate contracts. As a note, Conga Composer and Conga Contracts for Salesforce must be installed and configured before beginning this process. Let's start at CLM Setup and locate our quick starts. Click General, and underneath MSA for Sales Cloud Quick Start, we'll click View. Scroll down a little bit. We see our MSA for Sales Cloud package install link, and we'll click that. Agree and install package. We recommend selecting install for all users as the option here, and click install. It won't take long for the package to install, and then we'll click done. Let's go back to CLM setup. And refresh our page. Go back to our quick starts. And now we'll see that the MSA for Sales Cloud Quick Start is installed. Let's click View again. And from there, we're going to click MSA for Sales Cloud Quick Start Configuration. We'll see our icon for a moment. And when the page refreshes, it'll be installed. Quick Start successfully completed. Next, we're going to go over to Conga Solutions, which you can access from the app launcher. And here we'll see our Contracts for Salesforce MSA solution we just created. We see our template, we see our parameters, and our next step is going to be to click Create button. And we get our success message. Next, we're going to go back into the contract agreement record or object. And let's go to our page layouts. I'm going to go to my main page layout, select mobile and lightning actions, and I'm going to find my Contracts for Salesforce MSA solution and drag it down. You'll want to do this with any of your page layouts where you would want to use this, and click Save. Now, if we go back to contract agreement, we now have our Contracts for Salesforce MSA solution. Let's run it real quick. And there's our file. And there you have it. You successfully set up the MSA for Sales Cloud Quick Start, and your users can now generate MSA requests. Thanks for watching.